Mother's Day is around the corner, so let me show you a fun and quick way how you can decorate your room with balloons without having a lot of supplies or a lot of skill to decorate. All you would need: fun foil balloons, some tape, of course the room that you want to decorate, and creativity. Let's go. To inflate my flowers, I will be using this inflator. This is a specific inflator for foil balloons. It's called Foil Flater. I will leave a link in the description under this video for you guys to check this out. This inflator has a stopper. It feels when it needs to stop when the balloon is inflated to the right capacity with air. So love this thing. It does come with different nozzles. To attach my balloons, I will be using painter's tape. Painter's tape is very gentle on painted walls, but there are different painted walls because some walls might be a little bit more textured and there are different types of paint that is used on walls. If your paint is super glossy, this might not work. If your walls are super textured, but they're painted, this might not work as well. You would need to test which tape works on your walls, which tape will not damage the paint on the walls. My walls are matte and they are not glossy, and this works great. Another great and important tip about painter's tape: if your painter's tape have been laying around for a year or for a few months, I would suggest to purchase another roll of painter's tape because with time, tape loses stickiness. The older it gets, the less stickier it gets. Tape your tail to the back of your balloon. This is a small detail, but it will make such a huge difference. Just do it. I'm prepping a little section on my wall. I am leaving my ends a little bit loose because at the end, I want to just grab on to the end and just take it off the wall. Right on the balloon, I put 2 glue dashes. Make sure you really rub that glue dash into your balloon. 2 glue dashes. And sticking that to the wall on that prepped piece of wall. Press, voila. As I was attaching my balloons, I decided to use just 1 strip of tape right here and 2 glue dashes per balloon. If you glue your balloon to glue dashes and you want to take it off, you took it off, then don't try to put that balloon back on those 2 glue dashes that you just used because they already lost the stickiness. Reapply your glue dashes back on top of those existing glue dashes and then glue your balloon right on top. My walls are ready, so here I have 2 beautiful tulle runners that I want to use on my table. These are absolutely gorgeous. They definitely fit the theme that I'm doing right here. They also have little flowers, perfect match to my pink balloons. Absolutely gorgeous. I just layered 2 pieces of tulle over my table, put a base to hold everything down, and it looks absolutely adorable. To finish everything off, I am using my mini marquee letters, and I'm gonna spell out mom. And this is my beautiful, adorable, very easy setup for Mother's Day. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and of course, everything that you see here will be linked in the description under this video. It's beautiful.